Just for today, the 30th of January podcast.
A drinking life really is a lonely life, isn't it? It isolates you, not just from people, but also from God. Even when we were surrounded by others, alcohol created a wall between us and the people who truly mattered, our families, co-workers, and real friends. That loneliness could feel unbearable.
Exactly. No matter how much we cared for our loved ones, drinking pushed them away. It's one of the most heartbreaking consequences of alcoholism. But in AA, the fellowship replaces that isolation. It's not just about being in a room with people. It's about being truly connected and understood.
Right? And it's not just the fellowship with others. It's also about reconnecting with God. That's where today's meditation is so powerful. Taking time to retreat into quiet moments with God allows us to find restoration, healing, and strength. Those moments of peace help us carry on with the work He's called us to do.
It's amazing how refreshing those quiet times can be. When we commune with God, we're reminded that we're not alone, no matter what challenges we face. He won't give us a load greater than we can bear, and that reassurance brings so much comfort.
It really does. And it ties into the idea of true serenity. When we strengthen our inner lives and seek God's presence, we find the peace and calm needed to stay grounded, even in difficult times. That's where real success begins, not in external achievements, but in the restoration of our souls.
And that restoration helps us rebuild those connections we lost. We're no longer trapped in loneliness because we've opened ourselves to love, fellowship, and the guidance of God.
Let's close with the prayer. I pray that I may strengthen my inner life, so that I may find serenity. I pray that my soul may be restored in quietness and peace.